Hi everybody, we're at the home of Inline Tube today and we're making our custom body plugs with the date code on them. So here's what the factory one that you can buy from Inline Tube looks like. It doesn't have a date code on it. It does have the little feet. This is the side that you put the sealant on because it has the little feet to keep it up off the metal. And then this is what our original looks like, which has the date code. This is 2 for 1972, H for, I think that's September or October, because it goes A is January, B is February, and then 13th, which is the day of the month. And today we're going to be making these ones for 70 GTO, which is 0H23, because that's the build date that we found on the car. So if we come over here, we're using a solid block of steel. We got our number punches here. We're going to find the center line of the plug, which is about there. And then on this tape, I have the locations of where all the letters are. Okay, we're going to start with the 0. Make sure that you have this straight up and down and you don't have it 90 degrees off. So we're going to put the 0 down first. It's right there. We're going to hit it twice. 0. Next is H. We're going to line up the H. And then next is our 2. Always checking our letters. And the last one is 3. Then we're going to peel our tape off and see how we did. So you can see that they get into the back side too, just like the original, so that's kind of what you want on it. So that's pretty much our finished plug right there. And then all these ones we finished over here today. So that's the 7 that are used in an A body, so that's what we're going to use. So thanks for watching our video. Again, these are the details that separate the first place cars from the rest.